सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. ॐ. Page 153, Shloka 76. निरधिष्ठानविभ्रान्तेः अभावादात्मनो स्थिताम् शून्यस्यापि ससाक्षित्वात् अन्यथा नोक्तिरस्यते. As a listener of Panchadashi, I have to remember I am a mixture of Chidabhasa and Kutastha Chaitanyam. Chidabhasa means reflected consciousness, along with Kutastha Chaitanyam Chit. Kutastha Chaitanyam is Satyam, which is enlivening the body-mind complex. In Shastra, the Jivatma word is used in Karma Kanda and in Jnana Kanda also. Jivatma, the individual soul. The name is used very commonly whenever the Jivatma traveling, the word is used, that is Karma Kanda Jivatma anartha. The Vatsyartha are the secondary meaning to the primary meaning of Jivatma. Whenever we use the expression traveling, Kalambittar avaru, traveling, it comes, that Jivatma is the Vatsyartha of Jivatma. Vatsyartha means the primary meaning of Jivatma. The same the Jivatma word is used in Jnana Kanda also as Akarta, Abhokta, Achalaha. Whenever that expression is used, that Jivatma is Lakshyartha Jivatma. Chit. That Jivatma is Lakshyartha, the secondary meaning of that Jivatma. So we should know where primary meaning, where secondary meaning, where Vatsyartha and where is Lakshyartha. Traveling comes put in Vatsyartha Jivatma. No travel all pervading Jivatma put in Chit box. Chit box means Kutastha Chaitanyam, original consciousness. So this must be very clear for us, otherwise you will get confused. So primary and secondary meanings. Jivatma. Only same Jivatma. So this must be very clear. But many people are not clear regarding this. Those who take Dehatma, Pranatma, Indriyatma, Mana-atma, Vijnana-atma, they are all having confusions. Lack of this primary and secondary meaning of Jivatma. Who is traveling? People do not know. Asti tyeke nayam asti iti chaike. Eyam prete vichikitsa manushye. Like that, everybody is having vichikitsa asti. Doubt is there. Having negated all these Atmavadis, Shunyatmavadi, he is negating now. Everything is Sunyam, Another person says, negating all these people, Shunyam is Atma. For that, all of them together fighting with this person. Shunyam cannot be Atma. We are also fighting with this Shunyavadi, a Buddhist. So 4 types of Charvakas, Dehatma, Manatma, Indriyatma, Vijnanatma. Deha, Indriya, Mana, Prana put into Charvakas, 4 types of Charvakas. One Charvaka itself wrong. There are 4 Charvakas. Then 4 Charvakas later, as incidentally, he brings Buddhism. Vijnanatmavadi and Shunyatmavadi. Yogachara and Madhyamika. So, Kshanika Vijnanavadi also negated by Shunyatmavadi. Shunya means Madhyamika, Buddhist. That Madhyamika Buddhist, whenever he says everything is Shunyam, that we are negating in this 76th shloka, Niradhishtana Vibhrantehe Abhavat. Niradhishtana Vibhrantehe Abhavat. Niradhishtana means Adhishtana Rahitam. Adhishtana means substratum, source. Vibhrantehe. This Bhranti, what something is there, how can you know without negator? The negation of the negator of everything is not possible. Nothing is there. Nothing is there, you are negating everything. Not there, not there, not there, you are negating. When you are negating, you are the negator. You are doing what? Negation. When I am doing negation, onnume illai ani solradha negation. Okay. The negation word generally we won't use in our college education. That's why negation only in Shastra we use. Negation anna onnume illai ani solradha negation. The negation is done by negator. The negation of the negator, the negator, one who is negating, the negator of the negation, negator, karta, of the negation, object, negating everything, object. The negation or negator of the negation of the negator of everything. Negator, what he is doing? Negating everything. Negation of the negator of everything is not possible. Negation, negating the negator. What negator is doing? Negating everything. Negator of everything can be negated. To negate that negator, someone should be there. No one is there to negate because Shunyam. Pratyakhyatuhu pratyakhyanam na sambhavati. That is the translation what I did in English now. Pratyakhyatuhu pratyakhyanam na sambhavati. The negation of the negator of everything is not possible. Niradhishtanam vibhrantehe shunyata abhavat. Abhavat means the absence of shunyam without the adhishtanam. Na sambhavati, not possible. Atmanaha astita. Atmanaha astita shunyasyapi. For Shunyam also, non-existence is, somebody is talking, he must be existent. Therefore, it is not possible. Sa sakshitvat, because there is a witnesser of that Shunyam. Sa sakshitvat. That Shunyam has got a Sakshi, the witnesser. The one who is talking the emptiness of the hall is a Sakshi. The emptiness of the hall is Shunyam. The emptiness of the hall is Sasakshi or Nissakshi? Sasakshi. The emptiness of the hall is Sasakshi. Otherwise, that word you cannot mention. Nobody is there in the hall, that muktihi. The mentioning of that voidness or emptiness, negation, everything is not possible. Te, tava nartham. Tava. To you, it is not possible. All other charvakas, 4 charvakas, coming and negating this Shunyavadi. Or Vijnanavadi also negating, everyone. Tava, it's not possible. Muktihi na syat. Muktihi asya. Asya shunyasya. Asya shunyasya muktihi na sambhavati. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we go to the 77th shloka. Anyo vijnanamayatah anandamaya antarah astityevopalabdhavyah iti vaidika darshanam. Now another group of philosophers, Anandamaya Vadis. Anandamaya Kosha is Anyontara Atma Anandamayaha. That is Atman. There are a group of people, they talk about this Anyontara Atma Anandamayaha. Whatever is interior is Atma. Vijnana is exterior. Anandamaya is interior. Pranamaya Kosha is Bahyam to Anandamaya Kosha. Exterior is always gross, interior is always subtle. So Anandamaya Kosha is the Atma. These people, they talk about who are they? Nayayikaha. They're all group of people. Nayayikaha, Bhattamimamsa, Prabhakaramimamsa, all put together in group. They're all Astikaha. Anandaha. How, why is negating Shunyavadi? Shunyavadi, we have to negate. Who will negate this? Anandamaya Vadis will negate Shunyavadi. What they say, when you go to deep sleep, in deep sleep, there is Ananda. So Ananda is there. It is not Shunyam. That is why after waking up you say, Aham Sukham Asvapsam. I slept well. That Sukham, who is knowing? Is it Shunyam? If it is Shunyam, you cannot know that the Sukham, Ananda. The most comfortable Ananda we enjoy in Sukham, that is in Nidra. In waking state, dream state, what happiness we are enjoying is adulterated, mixed with some dukkham. But in deep sleep, dukkha rahita Ananda. That is why we all of us say, Sukham asvapsam. Appa, nanna thukkan nitena. Yesterday I slept well. How do you know? Upanishad is asking. You people always say, I slept well, I slept well. Who is that registering? Who is that registering? Is it Shunyam? Someone must be there to register. Therefore, Ananda Atma. So, what is the difference between Vedantin and this Anandamaya Vadikina? He says Anandamaya is Atma. We say Ananda Atma. Mayat Vikararthe. And the Ananda, Anubhavananda, he is taking as Atma. Very subtle difference. Anandamaya, he takes. We take Ananda Atma, Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. You remove the Maya. Kosha, if you add, it is Anandamaya. He is taking Koshananda, Anandamaya as Atma. We are taking Kosha Vilakshanaha, Atma, that is Ananda, Swarupa Ananda, we are taking. That is the difference between Vedantin and these philosophers. He says, look into the shloka. Anyaha. Anyaha means Kshanika Vijnanavadi also refers here. Kshanika Vijnanavadi refers Anyaha Vijnanamayataha, other than Vijnanamaya. Mayataha id panchamyarthe tasi. Vijnanamayataha means Vijnanamayat. Anandamayaha Antaraha. Anandamaya, the fifth kosha is Anandamayaha. Bliss. They translate it as bliss. In traditional books, you never find the word bliss. What is the translation of Ananda means Ananda. There is no proper word in English for certain. Dharma, what word you have? Punyam, what word you have in English? They translate holy something and all. But they are not correct translations. Because they don't exist in Western English language. Dharma and all. Like that, this Anandamaya Kosha, what they talk only Ananda, that Ananda, it's not this Ananda. So therefore, Anandamayaha Antaraha, inside, interior. Ananda Atmavadi says, Anandamaya is interior to what? Vijnanamaya. Vijnanamayataha. Because Kshanika Vijnanavadi said Vijnanam Atma. Therefore, Vijnanamaya Atmavadini he want to negate. So, interior to Vijnanamaya, there is what kosha? There is Anandamaya kosha. That is Antaraha. Interior. Therefore, Anandamayaha Atma Asti iti eva upalabdhavyaha. He quotes from Upanishad. Asti ityevo upalabdhavyaha. Kathopanishad. No? Asti iti Shastra Pramanam is there. Asti, asti, asti. I am. That asti, naan irukken. And upalabdhavyaha or not. The one who is talking, Vijnanamayaha, is asti or not? So, Vijnanamaya, asti, whatever you say, the asti is the Atma. Now he says, actually that asti is Ananda. He is taking Ananda Mayake edukra. Illa tappu tappa quote pannuva Upanishad. Beauty enna, beauty yo, ugly yo. They are all quoting Upanishad mantras. The Astityevo-palabdhavyaha Kathopanishad, we take it as Ananda Atma, not Anandamaya Atma. So, on the Anandamaya Atma he is taking as Atma and quoting what? Kathopanishad. Astityevo-palabdhavyaha. The wrong way he is quoting. That pramanam is there. So, Shunya refuted and Artham. Asti in Chonnamudane, Shunyam is negated. Asti iti upalabdhavyaha. Existence is available everywhere. Exist. Everything is available. Upalabdhavyaha iti Vaidika darshanam. Veda pramanam is there. Vaidika darshanam means Veda pramanam is available. Therefore, you cannot say shunyam. So, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Purvamimamsaka, they are all holding this view. Anandamaya is the Atma, Vijnanam is not the Atma, because Upanishad is talking about Asti. Next shloka we will enter. Now, with this, all confusions regarding Atma over. Atma Lakshana Vishaye Vipratipattayaha Samaptaha. Vipratipattyanna confusions. See the difference. Pratipatyanna jnanam. Vipratipatyanna confusions. So, all the confusions regarding Atma. Atma Lakshana Vishaye. What is Atma? What is the definition of Atma? Means people say Deha is Atma, Indriya is Atma, Mana is Atma, Vijnanam is Atma, Anandamaya is Atma, Shunyam is Atma. Poduma confusions. And all these confusions, they are going to get another confusion regarding the size of Atma. Now, they have different views regarding the size of Atma. Anu Atmavadi, Vibhu Atmavadi, Madhyama Atma. Anu Parimana, Vibhu Parimana, Madhyama Parimana. 3 types of sizes. Parimana and size. Parinama and modification. Parimana and measurement. Measure. What is the size of Atma? Now, one person says Atma size is like an atom. First, 878 onwards, this discussion is coming. What discussion? Atma Parinama Vishaye. Some discussions are coming. Let us read this shloka. Anurmahan madhyamo vam ityevam tatrapi vadinaha bahudha vivadantehi Shruti yukti samashrayat. 78 he is introducing all the 3 vadas. Next he goes to Anu Atmavadi for 3 slokas. 79, 80, 81 Anu Atmavadi. Now he is introducing different and 3 types of people who talks about the measurement of Atma. What are those 3 views? He says, Anuhu, number 1. Atma is of the size of atom. Atma is of the size of atom. The smallest atom. Then second one, Anu Parimana Nartham. Anu means Anu Parimana Atma, the smallest. The smallest measurement possible. Further you cannot divide it. That is the smallest. Ella superlative. The smallest means what? Further you cannot divide it. That is Anu Parimana. Some people say Atma Mahan Parimana. Anur Mahan Madhyama. Put together. Okay, he has given. Atma Anu Parimana. You have to write like that. Then second view is Atma Mahanaha. Mahan Parimanaha or Mahanaha. Mahan means the infinite, the biggest. Vibhuhu another name of Mahan is Vibhuhu. 2 superlatives, smallest, biggest. Then third, madhyama parimanaha atma. Madhyama parimano va. The va means R. Atma is Anuparimanam, somebody says. Atma is Vibhuparimanam, the biggest. Anuparimanam and the Mahan Parimanam are not perceptible. Anu is the smallest, not perceptible, not Gocharam. Mahan Vibhu also not Gocharam, imperceptible. Whatever is in between is Madhyama Parimana. Anu and Mahan, smallest and biggest, middle, what are all left out, they are all come under Madhyama Parimana. They are all perceptible. So some third group of people talk about Madhyama Parimana. Now he is going to explain one Parimana group. The Anu Parimana group, what they say, how Atma is Anu, eppadi irukum, what is the size, what it does, everything he shows here. In these slokas, 3 slokas, continuously he explained about Atma Anu Parimanaha. He is establishing Shruti Yukti Dwara. Anubhava is not possible. Why? You cannot experience Anu. Smallest, you cannot experience. Sarvagatasthānuhu, they translate it. Sarvagatasthah anuhu. Vishishtadvaitins also come under this. Atma, Anu Atmas are many. How many Atmas are there? Anu Atmas are many. How many Paramatmas are there? Paramatma is one. One Paramatma fitting every Anu Jivatma. Jivatma, Atmas are many. All Atmas are sitting in one Paramatma. So Atmas are many. Aluguru Atma. Like that, one lady was watching the football game, no? When she was watching, 11 people, that side team and this side 11 people, 22 of them are fighting for one ball. Recently we have completed football game, This lady watching in the football game, Germany, Brazil, both are playing. When they are playing, why these people are fighting for one ball, 22 players are fighting for one ball. Why can't we give 22 balls for everyone? Aaluku oru ball kudukalame. Enna panjam idhula. Why are so conducive? Give one ball to everyone. Let them play happily. 22 balls. Big ground. After all, so big playground is there. Adi madri, the Vishishtadvaiti says, Aaluku oru Atma mechuko. Atma is Anu. Everyone is having one Atma. As many species, so many Atmas. That is what his philosophy. Look into the shloka. We will read 79. Anum vadantyam taralaha Sukshmanadi pracharataha Romna sahasrabhagena Tulyasu pracharatyayam Anum Atmanam Anum Vadanti. Atmanam you have to supply. Atmanam Anum Vadanti. Some people say Atma is Anu. Who are they? They are known as Antaralaha. It's a title for them. Antaralaha is the title. A group of people. Antaralaha Atmanam Anum Vadanti. What this Atma does, Sukshma Atma, this Sukshma Nadi Pracharataha. This Atma travels through Sukshma Nadis. Since it is Anu, it travels through each Nadi. Sukshma Nadi means a subtle Nadi. Nadi is, you can translate it as a vessel, blood vessel, or a lymph. That way you can translate. Very, very small and minute. Nadi pracharataha means moves. This Anu Atma moves in subtle nerves or subtle blood vessels or lymph. In English they call so many ways. Now he want to show the size. How much this Atma size that which moves through Nadi. If I explain about the Nadi size, you can understand the Atma size. So I want to explain about the Nadi size. In Atma is moving through the Nadi. 72 thousands of Nadis are there in the body. Some of them are not at all visible at all. How much a Nadi in Upanishad is talking, they quote that also. Upanishad talks about the Nadi. Through that Nadi, this Atma is moving. Therefore, we have Upanishad Pramanam. And Yukti Pramanam also he shows in these slokas. Now he says the example. Romnaha sahasra bhagena tulyasu pracharati ayam. Ayam Atma. This Atma which is moving through Nadis. It is moving through the Nadis. Nadi which is of the size of. Which is of the size of what? One hair you take, cut into 1,000 pieces. Sahasra bhagena. Sahasra means 1,000. You take the hair, cut into 1,000 pieces horizontally, not vertically. Horizontally you have to cut. Suppose you are able to cut, suppose. One hair, 1,000 pieces. And 1,000 parts of the hair, how much big it is? In that size of Nadi, Atma moving. He want to say how smallest Atma. That's our example. That also he is bringing from Upanishad. There we say Sukshmatvad Atma Anuraniyan Mahato Mahiyan. Upanishad is using the word okay. I agree. He gives the quotation from the Upanishads. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. It comes in Kurcha Brahmanam. Directly Upanishad mention. Let's say he takes it as Yukti. This is logic. He says. First Yukti Pramanam he is showing because it is invisible. You cannot show Anubhava. Shruti is not giving directly. Therefore he takes that Shruti quoting as Yukti logically. 4, 2, 3 of Brihadaranyaka Upanishad he is quoting Romnaha Sahasra Bhagena Tulyasu. It is Nadi is equal to Tulyasu. Nadishu Tulyasu Sahasra Bhagena. And the 100,000 pieces, if you make, how small that Nadi, how small that hair, that much small the Nadi. In that smallest Nadi, the smallest Atma moving. Pracharataha. Ayam Atma pracharataha. Here pracharataha is given in the pracharatyayam. Atma, ayam Atma pracharati. In that Nadi, it is moving. Now he gives a Shruti Pramanam next. In 80th shloka. So Yukti Pramanam is over. Yukti means logically. Logically, that Roma, the hair, when Roma means hair. Roman Shabdaha, not English Roman. Next shloka. Anoraniya shonuhum Sukshma sukshmataram pritim Anutvamahushhrutayaham Shatashodha sahasrashaham Anuraniyan Eshaha Anuhu. The Kathopanishad, 2nd chapter, 20th shloka. 220 they have put, you have to go and search, because in some texts they give Kathopanishad Valli wise, 6th Valli, 7th Valli, 7th Valli is not there, 6th, 5, 4, 3, 2, like that. So sometimes we divide it into 2 chapters, 3 Vallis separately. So in different books they give different numbers. It is your homework. Okay. Something you should do, no homework. Anoraniyan eshonuratma. Eshonuratma chetasa veditavyaha nivaram. Anuhu atma. See, Yamadharmaraja used the word anu. Eshonuratma. Eshaha anuhu atma. Chetasa veditavyaha. One should know with a refined mind, he said. What is the intention of Yamadharmaraja? There, anu, atma. Anu means subtle sukshmatvat and artham. Not that Atma has got a size of Paramanu. Atom size Paramatma artham illai. Shankaracharya comments on that shloka, mantra. There Yamadharmaraja's intention of mentioning Eshaha Anuhu Atma, it is Sukshmam ityarthaha. That much meaning only you have to take. Because it is not available for a gross mind. It is available for a subtle mind. Therefore, it is Sukshma Vishayam. That is why Yamadharmaraja used the word Anuhu. But these people take literal meaning. Anu means Anu. They never say, if you say Anu, Mahato Mahiyan comes in Mahanarayana Upanishad. In some other Upanishads also, Mahato Mahiyan comes, what you explain there? You should not take the Vachyartha. No? The Vachyartha, if you take, you will stuck when Mahan comes. The Mahan, Atma, that person take again Vachyartha. Anu comes, you will get stuck. Therefore, should not take it as the ultimate. That's what we want to say. Now he is taking the Shruti Pramana, Kathopanishad Pramana, Mundaka also. He mentioned 2nd line. Anoho aniyan eshaha anuhu. Eshaha atma anuhu. Anoho aniyan. Upanishad says it is subtler than subtlest. Anoho aniyan. Subtler than subtlest. Sukshmat sukshmataram. It is subtler than subtlest. Kaivalyopanishad. Sukshmat sukshmataram tattvameva tvameva tat. In Kaivalyopanishad, recently we saw in Samskrita Bharati class. Kaivalyopanishad. Mahavakya mantra. Tattvameva tvameva tat. There it comes. Sukshmat sukshmataram Kaivalyopanishad. Tvam tu iti. Tviti is there. Tu iti. Sukshmataram tu iti. In this Upanishad also. Not only that, anutvamahu shrutayaha. Even Mundakopanishad also says the same thing. Shatasho atha sahasrashah. These are all so many supports are there. Shrutayaha. The support is there. Many Vedic texts and artham. Shrutayaha. Shatashaha atha sahasrashah. The support of their Anu is quoted in many places. Next shloka. He continues further. Valagra shatabhagasya shatadha kalpitasya cha bhago jivassa vigneyah iti chaha parashrutihi. These Shruti statements are not sufficient. He is going to another Shruti statement. Shvetashvatar Upanishad. Apara Shrutihi. There is another Shruti statement also. Aha, said the same thing. What is that? Valagra shatabhagasya shatadha kalpitasya. Vala or bala, both are same. Bal, in Hindi also they say bal, hair. Vabayor abhedaha. Va and ba, Vangal, Bengal, Madri. Vabayor abhedaha. Balagra means the tip of the hair. Tip of the hair. Adeda. Same thing he is quoting another Upanishad, that's all. Agra, the tip of the hair, bhagasya, shatadha kalpitasya, again cut into 100 pieces. This is Shvetashvatara 5:9. Bhago, that in that bhagaha, saha jivaha vigneyaha. Saha jivaha vigneyaha. That Atma, Jivaha means Atma, is the minutest. If you cut the hair into Shatabhaga, how much small it is, that much small the Atma. Because Atma is pervading the entire body through nadis. Nadis are small, therefore Atma is small. Upanishattala padichi, studying about nadis, Atma is traveling through. Because you are becoming sentient, no? Everywhere sentient. Atma is not pervading in this nadis. How can you feel sentient? So blood is flowing in nadis. So you feel sentient means Atma is going. Atma is how is going. If it is big Atma, how can it go? Therefore it is small Atma. But Mahan Atma comes and argue. Hey, if it is small Atma, how it can pervade whole body? Like that, arguments can limit kadiyadu. Argue panninde irkalam. Next, different type. Anu over. Now, it comes another Jaina philosophers. Madhyama parimana, not parinama. Madhyama Parimanavadis, Jains, Digambaras. Digambara Madhyamatvam Ahura Padamastakam Ahura Padamastakam Chaitanya Vyapti Samdrushte Anakhagrashrutihi. Here he is quoting again Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 147. Very important sutram comes, Vidya Sutram comes here. Anakhagrashrutihi. It is known as Anakhagrashruti. Anakhagraha means nail to hair. Anakha means from nail to hair. You have to exclude the nail. Nail also has got Atma pervading nail, and you cannot cut the nails. You are happily cutting your nails, and up to the nails means excluding the nail, up to the nail. You have to take. Up to, two types of up to. Including up to, excluding up to. Okay. Here, anakhagra, nail and hair is excluding. That is why you are happily able to cut the hair. Otherwise, in every barber shop, the cry will come. No, people will scream like anything. They are cutting happily, and it is excluding an artha. Atma is pervading up to hair without including the hair. Atma pervading up to nail without including the nail. That is the excluding an artha. Up to na. It is excluding an maryada an artha. Maryada vidhi. Excluding. Including in abhividhi vidhi. అది ఒక రూల్ మీమాంసా శాస్త్రంలో అది ఒక రూల్ என்ன ரூல்னா அபிவிதி விதி மரியாதைன்னு மரியாதைன்னு அதுதான் சொல்லுவாங்க தெலுங்குல தமிழ்ல கூட இருக்கும் மரியாதை மரியாதை இருந்தா டோன்ட் கோ டூ மச் மரியாதைன்னு ஹாவ் எ லிமிட் ன்னு அர்த்தம் மே யூ ஹாவ் எ லிமிட் ஆல்வேஸ் மரியாதை. Here, Maryada means up to, excluding an artha. Maryada vidhi. So, Atma pervades up to nail. It won't pervade including nail, up to nail. The Maryada vidhi we have to take here, not Abhividhi vidhi. If you take Abhividhi vidhi, it goes up to nail and hair also. So, nail point hair company. Because Atma is there. You cannot cut. Okay. So, it says, Digambaraha. Dik eva ambaram vastram eshante. For whom the directions are the clothes. Jaina people, there are two types of Jains. Shvetambaraha, Digambaraha. Shvetambaraha, those people who wear white dress. All people who are all wearing white dress are not Jains. The people, Jains, those who are wearing white dress. Wear white dress wearing Jains, anartha. Digambaraha, they say, Madhyamatvam ahuhu atmanaha parimanam madhyamam. Madhyamatvam is a medium size and artha. Medium size means what size? Body size. Body, you are not Mahan. Body is not Mahan. It is medium size. Ant body has got ant size, Atma. Elephant has got elephant size, Atma. Dinosaurus has got dinosaurus size, Atma. Like that. As the body size, so the size of Atma. Madhyamatvam. Ahuhu. Apada mastakam. Apada means up to feet. Mastaka means up to head. Up to feet and up to nails. Kaalindi talavare. Apada mastakam. Mastakam means head. Chaitanyam vyaptihi sandrishtehi. We are seeing sandrishtehi means it is very evident. Anubhava asti. We are all experiencing. That is why Madhyama Parimana has got Anubhava Pramanam also. Anubhava Pramanam, namalla idukka illiya Madhyama Parimana Atma experiencing, no? That's called Sandrishtehe, he says. It is very evident. Anubhava is there. Sandrishtehe. What? Chaitanya Vyaptihi Sandrishtehe. The Anubhava that Chaitanya is pervading throughout your body. If you want, killi paathukono. Pinch your body. You can feel that. Chaitanyam is there. I know that. Vyaptihi, it is pervading. Pervading. Anakhagra shruterapi. Anakhagra Shruti means where the Upanishad is talking about. In Kaushitaki also he is mentioning the medium size of Atma. Brihadaranyaka is also talking. So Shruti Pramanam is there. From 82 to 84 Madhyama Parimana discussion. 82, 83, 84. 3 shlokas for Madhyama Parimana. 3 shlokas for Anu Parimana. Now next shloka also about Digambaras. Sukshmanadi pracharastu Sukshmairavayavair bhavet Sthula dehasya hastabhyam Kanchuka pratimokavat. Now the Anu Atmavadi comes and object. This Madhyama Parimana Vadi Digambara expecting there is a possible question. Anu Parimanavadi is asking a Madhyama Parimanavadi. Suppose he says, how this Madhyama Parimanam can enter the Nadi? If it Atma Sukshma Anu only, it can enter the Sukshma Nadi. Because Upanishad says if you cut the hair horizontally thousands of times and that Nadi size Atma is going, if it is Madhyama Parimanam, how can Atma moves? Anu Atmavadi asking. If you ask like that, I will tell you, give the answer. Digambara gives the answer, justifying his view. Who? Digambara. For Anu only it can move in the Nadi. If you say Madhyama Parimanam, Atma is in elephant size, elephant body in elephant size. How can it move through Nadi? He says it moves just as you were. Atma has got Avayava. Atma has got Avayava. With its Avayava it enters. Just as a person wears the shirt. You are wearing shirt and the sleeve, hand goes into the hand goes into that sleeve. You are wearing shirt or not? Like that Atma Avayava enters. With Atma Avayava enters into that part. Atma enters. Atma expands. Atma expands. Like amoeba. Expand and contract. How it enters he is explaining further also. He says here, Sukshmanadi pracharastu Sukshmaihi avayavaihi bhavet. Objection. Sukshmanadi pracharaha. To enter into Sukshmanadi, Sukshmanadi pracharataha. Who can enter into Sukshmanadi? Whatever is Sukshma only can enter. Sukshmaihi avayavaihi eva bhavet. Sukshma alone can enter. If you ask, Sthula dehasya hastabhyam kanchuka pratimokavat. Sthula deha, Atma enters into Sukshma Nadi because how it enters in the Sthula deha hasta. Just as he gives the example. Second line. Sthula deha hasta. You have Sthula deham? We have. Hasta is there? Hasta is there. How Kanchuka on a shirt. And this Kanchuka shirt has got a sleeve. How your hand entering? Whole body is entering in the shirt hand. And the shirt shoulder la. And the shoulder circle pagadila. Whole body cannot enter in that. Whole body cannot enter. In your blouse also, whole body is entering or a hand is entering. You are entering, not your whole body. You are entering through your hand. Okay, you are entering the sleeve through your hand. Adhe madri, Atma enters the Nadi through its avayava. What he says, confusion mela confusion anchomale. Next shloka. Nyunadhika sharireshu praveshopi gamagamaihi atmamshanam bhavettena madhyamatvam vinischitam. Another objection may come. Suppose Atma is Madhyama Parimana, mosquito is there, suppose. Atma is in mosquito size. Okay. According to you, Atma is Madhyama Parimana. Now in this Janma, this Atma is in mosquito body. Next Janma, this Atma enters in elephant body. Then how Atma pervades the whole body and suppose it is Madhyama Parimanam, mosquito Madhyama Parimanam enters into the next birth of elephant Parimana Sariranla, how that elephant Kaluno Matundane Kaluno Talalono Engyo Matunarico Madhyama Parimana in a mosquito body in the Atma in Leo. Purier the joke. So ant body is there, suppose. We ourselves, suppose. Previous birth la nama ant body la irundha nenchukongale. Ant body Atma. Suppose Atma has entered into human body now. That Janma ant body size Atma, according to Madhyama Parimanavadi, that Atma when it enters into human body, the whole body is like a numbness will be there. Because Atma only ant size previous Janma. In this Janma, how? In this Janma, it expands, he says. Just like water, if you pour the water in the small container, it takes the shape of the small container. Again, you put in the big container, it takes the shape of the big container. Light also. Light also, if you put in a small room, it illumines the small room. Same light if you put, it expands the whole hall. Adi madri, once this ant Atma enters the body, human body, it expands. That's what he says. That we'll see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.